Hello guys, today we're gonna do paper airplane racing part 2. Part 2. So the pilot's getting ready to dressed. I'll show you around my house. So that's my dog. Look how cute he is. Hi my Scapito. Scapito. Cute little Scapito. Look how cute he is. I love that little dog. He's almost awake, I think. I'm really tired. I look tired, so I'm gonna leave it. There's Dixie, Dixie Doodle. Picture for 4th of July last year. The kitchen. The fridge. The stove. The fish tank. My classroom. My monster trucks. My tray. And last but not least, my paper airplane collection. I love paper airplanes. They're one of my favorite kind of toys. I also like wooden trains. I made it yesterday. Delta Airlines. I've been on Delta. So good it is. I'm going to show you this one. This one I made about like last year probably. I can't remember. NCL Fantasy Airlines.